Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how can you share a private story on your Snapchat account. So for that, first of all, open up your Snapchat application and then move towards your profile and open up your profile. After opening the profile, you will find the option of new private story. Click it. You will find all your Snapchat contacts. Just select the specific contacts with whom you want to share your private Snapchat story. Then press create story, and you can also rename your story as per your desire and then press save. After saving it, Snapchat will make a new folder of private stories for you where you share all your private stories and show these to your close friends only. It is a very easy and a very straight process. Everyone can do it easily, and I hope my video will help you in any way. Thank you so much for watching it. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and also comment below.